Information technology refers to anything related to computing technology. In short, we call it IT. In this modern era, information technology plays a big role. However, if you're not in the field of information technology yourself, you might not know just how information technology touches your life. Information technology, it is a term that encompasses all forms of technology used to create, process, store, secure and exchange all forms of electronic data. This can include software, hardware, applications, and so much more. Much of what people use in the 21st century was created with help from information technology. Typically, IT is used in the context of enterprise operations. IT is generally not used in reference to personal or home computing and networking. The commercial use of IT encompasses both computer technology and telephony. The term information technology was coined by the Harvard Business Review in 1958. In order to make a distinction between purpose-built machines designed to perform a limited scope of functions and general-purpose computing machines that could be programmed for various tasks. As the IT industry evolved from the mid-20th century, computing capability advanced while device cost and energy consumption fell lower, a cycle that continues today when new technologies emerge. The importance of information technology in business. With the introduction of computers, the business world was changed forever. Using computers and software, businesses use information technology to ensure that their departments run smoothly. They use information technology in a number of different departments including human resources, finance, manufacturing, and security. Using information technology, businesses have the ability to view changes in the global markets far faster than they usually do. They purchase software packages and hardware that helps them get the job done. Most larger businesses have their own information technology department designed to upkeep the software and hardware. Information technology has allowed businesses to keep up with the supply and demand as consumers grow more anxious to have their items instantly. Using information technology, businesses like Amazon are working to help busy consumers do their grocery shopping. Just a few clicks on a website allows the consumer to submit an order, and information technology sends that order to the company. The importance of information technology in education. The world of education is changing as the modern world continues to grow. With so much progress happening, it's important that education be able to reach students in new ways so that their students are prepared for the future. With so much focus placed on education, it can sometimes be difficult to hold a job and still get the training needed to get a better job. Information technology plays a key role in students being able to keep their jobs and go to school. Now, most schools offer online classes that can be accessed on computers or laptops, tablets, and even mobile phones. A busy student at work can easily check in or submit assignments while on their lunch break. Information technology is helping to prevent more high school and college dropouts as well. The importance of information technology in finance. Information technology might just working its hardest with internet transactions. As more transactions are done, the internet requires more networks, more computers, and more security programs to keep its consumers safe. Without information technology, these purchases would be impossible. And it would be impossible for banks to keep these purchases secure. Information technology has also made it faster and easier than ever to send or receive money. It's now also easier to open an online small business to sell whatever you might want. If you don't want to have to file for a domain name, set up a website, and all the other steps required for registering an online business, you can use other websites like Amazon, eBay, and easy-to-sell things. Information technology also makes it easy for finance to function on a global level. In this modern age, your credit score and credit rating is available online securely. This allows lenders, insurance companies, and businesses to run a quick credit check on you, making it far easier to open credit. Issues and challenges in information technology. As computing systems and capabilities continue expanding worldwide, data overload has become an increasingly critical issue for many IT professionals. Efficiently processing huge amounts of data to produce useful business intelligence requires large amounts of processing power, sophisticated software, and human analytic skills. Teamwork and communication skills have also become essential for most businesses to manage the complexity of IT systems. Many IT professionals are responsible for providing service to business users who are not trained in computer networking or other information technologies, but who are instead interested in simply using IT as a tool to get their work done efficiently. System and network security issues are a primary concern for many business executives, as any security incident can potentially damage a company's reputation and cost large sums of money.